Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today video I am tell about how to make profile on Naukri.com, which you can easily apply for the jobs. There are 5 lakh plus job for to explore. Many job are found in many other location. Like we have firstly open Naukri.com in your Google. Now now this is interface of Naukri.com. Now firstly you have to log in. We have used to log in Google. Now we have to choose any email to log in, like this. Wait a second. Like this. Firstly we have enter your name, like this. Now we have enter your mobile number. Now we have enter our mobile number in this column. Now we have used to other options, like where you have work status, like you have experience, you have a fresher. Like we have firstly use fresher. Now mention the country, like which country you are living. Like we have live in Valencia, like this. Now you also give the location of the state. Now we can send the SMS on your mobile. Save and continue, like this. Now you have verification code on your mobile. Now another option is like we have detail of education qualification. Now we have enter the OTP, and again option is education detail. Like we have higher qualification and degree currently pursuing. Like we have to choose anyone to do any kind of degree, any kind of class. Like firstly we have enter only 12th class. Like we have which board you are completed 12th class. Like I completed 12th class with CSC. I just click on CSC. Which medium you are completed 12th class. Like we have enter English, like this. Now how much mark in your 12th? We have enter like 70. Now in which year you are passing your 12th class? Like I will passing in 2024, right? Now another option is like to key skills. Now we have to key skills, like I have I have like this. I have a skill to complete MS Word, MS and MS Excel. Like this. We have MS Excel, like this. We have another step, like we have to continue. Now we have choose the another key skills. Like I have a skill to working on MS Excel and MS Word and MS Excel. Now we have only simple enter. Now we have drag down, and now required look to candidate with specify key skills suggestion. Like we have completed on internet. Like we have choose the any, like document processing. Now we have MS Office. Now we have Excel plus Word, any kind. Like say any skills you are have, PowerPoint skills, internet access skills, PowerPoint presentation skills. Now we have only these skills to continue. Save and continue, right? Right. We have our resume handle. Like we have to add resume headline and make the profile stronger. And okay, now we had a help of chat GPT. Like now we have an interface of chat GPT. Now we have enter the prompt, like we have give like give headline for resume in 30 words, like this. We have enter. Now this is a result, like we have here to copy, like using control plus C to copy, and now paste in resume handle, like this. Okay, now we have another, like we have a suggestion for job seeker country living influencer, like we have looking for I have skills too, like this. We have enter suggestion. Now working place, like to choose any working place you are working, like we have working place like Noida, like another option is Delhi, like Gurugram. Now we choose which option you are nearly in your area, like we have choose three options. Now we have entered the salary, which which you want, what salary you want, like we have enter only 20,000, like we have enter per year. We have enter per year, like we have want 2 lakh per year. Like we have another option is like to choose gender, like choose gender and click the option to submit, like this. Okay, now we have another interface of my profile. Now we have an interface of Naukri.com. Now we have another interface, like we have profile, and now we have a, now we have my profile is completed only 60%. Now we have added another details for myself to complete 100%. Now this is a option like companies want to build inclusive team, help to identify your disability status for better job, or you can use I don't have a disability. Okay, now we want to use submit, like we have to drag lower side. Now we have a many profile, like any other profile for you want to enter, like first, like this. You have to interested, like we have chat process like 5-day working, tech Mahindra. And this is a this is a company which are well hiring a hiring person which are completed tech tech study, and which are using like 1 to 5 years, like package of 1 to 2.5 lakhs per annum. Now we have the location is Noida, Ghaziabad, Delhi, NCR. We have to choose, like we have want to choose and working from this companies. And now we have interested, like we have to enter on I am interested, or you as can save in your profile. Now like we have to interested. Now I am interested. Now we have you have a response being recorded successfully, and you will be send you soon a reminder for walk in, like this. Okay, now this is all about today video. This is a to whole about video. And now this video I can tell about also which is best prefer for Naukri.com. Like we have to enter perfect profile, make firstly you make to perfect profile and enter your data is perfectly. Now you can make good jobs and good opportunities are coming from there. And now you can use many kind of jobs and enter in any kind of jobs. Like we have to we have an example, like we have a job of Mahindra Tech company. I can see in previous. And now we have a Mahindra Tech company. You can end only interested as you can see. And now you have the today video. This is now another video is about more interesting. Now follow my channel, subscribe my channel and follow for more video. Press the bell icon and like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.